sitting there, looking exactly as she had that night a year ago. She turned to me, a sad smile on her face. "Hello, Tom," she said softly. "I'm sorry I disappeared on you like that." I couldn't speak, couldn't move. I just stared at her, afraid that if I blinked, she'd vanish again. "I know you have questions," she continued, "but I can't answer them. I'm not even sure I understand it myself. All I know is that sometimes, on rainy nights like this, I exist, and sometimes I don't." The light turned green, but I didn't move. Cars behind me started honking. "You have to let me go, Tom," Sarah said, her form already starting to fade. "For both our sakes, just remember, not every